Hey guys, Smuggler's Belt here, and today I'm going to make Peacemaker. Peacemaker is one of my more popular videos, most views on my channel, so I decided to redo it, this time from the comic books, the recent Suicide Squad comic that had come out last year. So we're going to go to minifigs, up lower parts, we're going to get the black boots with the white legs, then we're going to search belt, and we are going to use the belt from the Lego Batman movie, which I always thought was weird, but I have come to like it now. So we're going to go to back up to minifigures, upper parts, and we're going to use this torso. And I'm going to center it. And we don't need the torso, we just need the arms today. We're going to make the sleeves red and use the flesh. And we're going to do that for both arms. Great. And we are going to go to upper parts and use the Shang-Chi torso from the Marvel sets. So superheroes, Marvel. And the Shang-Chi torso is going to be at the bottom because it's since the torsos are organized by year. And here it is. And we're going to pull it back, get rid of the arms and the hands, move forward, and we're going to use a Batman head. This one, because it's smiling, it's nice. Then we're going to go to head clothing, so we can make the helmet. And it's going to be the same design from the first one, from my first Peacemaker, minus the detailing on the helmet, because I just didn't really like how the detailing kind of stood out, since it wasn't really there. So we're going to keep going. And it's organized weirdly. I don't really know why they organized it like this. And we're going to go to percent, silver. I'm just going to back out a bit. Then we go back up to accessories, and we're going to use the headphones. The headphone pieces that would stick into the hats from Lego City. Bring that up. Then we're going to use the small and push it down. And there you have it, Peacemaker.